Hi, welcome back. In this video, we are going to see how to install or how to pull a MongoDB image from Docker website to Docker container. That is, how to install MongoDB inside a Docker container. Followed by, we are going to connect that MongoDB using this MongoDB Compass and user interface for MongoDB. So initially, we require Docker desktop app, then followed by MongoDB Compass, and then we need a notepad or VS Code kind of IDE. That is more than sufficient. So initially we'll create a Docker compose .yml file that will contain all the configurations required for the Docker to pull the MongoDB image and run it. So version 3 is nothing but there are multiple versions of Docker files supported. So 1 is very basic, 2 and 3 we are following it now. Services, MongoDB, then image, the image name that we are going to pull from Docker website, that is Mongo latest, and container name, any name that we want to give to our MongoDB container. Followed by volumes. So we're just mapping Docker folders inside the Docker to folder of our Windows system. So that's it with the Docker compose file. Now we are going to run, that is up the Docker container. Docker compose space up space -d. So since a Docker image is already pulled into my system while testing, so it has completed its building within 2 or 3 seconds. But when you do it for first time, when you are going to pull the image for the first time, it will take minimum 15 minutes based upon your internet speed. So you can see our container is up and running. So now we are going to connect this MongoDB using this MongoDB Compass. So this is default string that is given inside this text box. Don't touch this. Just go to authentication, select username password and leave the username password empty because we haven't given any username password here. So select username password and leave it empty. Just click on connect or save and connect. So now our MongoDB has been connected. So here we can create database collections, everything we need. So this is how a MongoDB has to be installed or created inside a container and used. On the next video, we are going to see how to add an authentication, that is how to create an username password with this container so that our database will be protected. So that will be on the next video. Thanks for watching. Keep supporting us.